Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, I've got a product that's all about making your dental routine just a little bit easier, especially if you're always on the go or dealing with a busy schedule. Have you ever tried flossing with traditional string floss and thought, this is just too much hassle? Well, what if I told you there's a better way? One that's portable, easy to use, and even recommended by dental professionals? Let's talk about the Waterpik Nano Plus Water Flosser and the Cordless Express Water Flosser. Two innovative tools that could totally revolutionize your oral hygiene routine. I've tested both, and I'm excited to share my experience with you. And before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on honest reviews like this one. Trust me, it makes a difference. Now, let's get into it. The Waterpik Nano Plus Water Flosser is a compact powerhouse. It's designed to deliver the same performance as a full-size water flosser, but in a more portable form, making it 50% smaller. This is a game changer for travel or small bathrooms. It features 5 pressure settings, from gentle to strong, allowing you to customize your flossing experience based on your needs. The 15-ounce reservoir is removable and dishwasher safe, so it's easy to clean and keep hygienic. It also comes with 4 tips, which means the whole family can use it, whether you have kids or need a gentler setting for sensitive gums. One thing that stood out to me during testing was how easy it is to use. The swivel handle and the convenient on-off switch made controlling the water flow effortless. Plus, the fact that it's so compact means it's ideal for travel. Whether you're heading out for a weekend trip or just storing it away in a small bathroom, this is a flosser that won't take up too much space. The 60-second flossing time is great for a quick but effective clean. And with 9 out of 10 dental professionals recommending Waterpik, it's clear why this product has earned the ADA seal of acceptance. As for the Waterpik Cordless Express Water Flosser, this is an excellent option if you're looking for something even more portable. Powered by 3 AA batteries, it's perfect for those moments when you're traveling or if you simply don't want to deal with cords or charging. The fact that it doesn't require any outlets means it's incredibly versatile. Use it in the shower, on vacation, or even at your desk. The downside, of course, is the need to replace batteries every 1 to 2 months depending on usage. But considering how easy it is to swap them out, it's a small trade-off for convenience. Now, let's talk pros and cons. For the Waterpik Nano Plus Water Flosser, the pros are clear. Its compact size, customizable pressure settings, and convenience for both home and travel make it a top contender in the water flosser category. On the flip side, some users might find the 60-second flossing time a bit short, especially if you're used to longer routines or need more time to floss all your teeth. The Cordless Express model has a lot of merit too. Its battery-powered design means no cords to deal with, and it's super portable. The main downside is the frequency of battery replacements, but that's easily managed if you're aware of it. So are these products worth the price? Absolutely. The Waterpik Nano Plus Water Flosser delivers excellent value with its versatility, performance, and compact design. The Cordless Express model, while a bit more limited in power, still offers great value for anyone needing a portable flosser for travel or small spaces. In comparison to other water flossers, the Waterpik brand is a trusted name with clinical backing. While other models may be priced similarly, the Nano Plus offers unique portability without compromising performance. It's not just a flosser, it's a solution for those who want to floss on their own terms, wherever they are. As for build quality, both models are solid, with durable materials and easy-to-clean components. Whether you're using the Nano Plus for your regular routine or the Cordless Express for travel, these devices are built to last. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Customer service is another win for Waterpik. If you have any issues with the product, their team is responsive and knowledgeable, which adds to the overall positive experience with the brand. So what's the final verdict? These 2 Waterpik water flossers are definitely worth considering if you're looking for a convenient, effective, and portable flossing solution. They're well suited for those with busy lifestyles or anyone who wants an easy way to maintain great oral hygiene without the hassle of traditional flossing. If you're already a fan of Waterpik, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used these products, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.